Tom Manis's daughter.
Oh, please go.
I would also like to, Andy Kyriakis is here in the crowd. I don't see him right now, but he is a school trustee who is running in Ward 3. And it is in the Etobicoke Lakeshore area, and here he is right now. He's giving you the wave. So, you know, when you have time, if you want to say hello to him, he's running as a new school trustee in the Ward 3, and that's the Etobicoke Lakeshore. So we welcome Andy Kyriakis here. He's been endorsed by Local 4400, and he's also endorsed by the Campaign for Public Education. So you're going to be seeing quite a few trustees, newly friendly trustees who want to be elected, and then you're going to have some of our trustees who are elected already, and we've been endorsing them through the Campaign for Public Education and 4400, the Elementary Teachers of Toronto, and OSSTF. So I'm going to give it back to Lisa, and we thank Lisa for being here, and we're going to be listening to more music, and we're going to have Betty May as well, and Fast Eddie, the yo-yo expert. He is right here, so give Eddie, Fast Eddie, a hand. And children, you may want to go up to Eddie after during